Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2012 Mitsubishi Pajero, stock number 6267. This ran from the 9th 2008 to the 8th 2014. It has a 4M41 3.2 litre turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is the 4M41 3.2 litre turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight needs polish. Left front guard, no dents. Front bonnet, no dents. Left front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left rear taillight. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear taillight. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front guard, no dents. Right front headlight needs polish. Right front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Front snorkel. Right front door, no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,